It's Thursday again. He's gonna see his friends, a bunch of his friends. He's so excited. He always pees on this tire. The walk is pretty short, like 5 houses down. Pretty lucky. Now let's see if the other people are there. If we can even come inside this early. Should be able to. Another beautiful day. Oh, all the dogs are out barking. One behind that wood fence. Maxwell is already barking. His friend I don't have the keys today to their place, so Adriana's getting her hair done. Possibly getting me one of those New York pizzas in North Park. Very excited about that. Come on, what are you waiting for, man? Your friend's right there. Hey, come on. I don't have the keys today. Once I get inside, I'll be back. Kevin and Christy are bringing a chair. Oh, no. There's the pug. I forget the pug's name. You get. Oh. Come on, guys. Back. Come on.
We wait.
There they are. There's the pug. No, I'm on humping duty. They're in love. Hey.
Hi, how are you? Nice to see you. Bobby, wait.
What's up? Hopefully he doesn't try to hump her too much today. I'm going to have to be very active.
Honey, now just wait a minute. What we're trying to do is we're going to get it up on the... Oh, okay.
No humping, please.
Okay, wait a minute. Wait. Okay, honey, wait a minute.
No, hey, no. Do not do that.
And then you get it on the sidewalk, then we'll turn that way.
There's his love interest. She is not fixed. She is 1 year old. And he is not fixed. And good. We have Kitey kind of breaking things up. He's the cock block.
Don't scratch the fancy deck.
Hey, no humping. I gotta watch them so they don't hump each other. And Maxwell tries to hump her too, even though he's fixed. I think he taught Hades to hump her. Hades? What are you doing?
You can look it up on YouTube.
No humping in the bushes, please.
Foxworthy? Jeff? Yeah. You know your redneck Wayne. And they do this whole skit.
Hades? Hey. No? How are you?
I'm good.
Good. I'm pretty good. They're all trying to hump her. No.
I know.
Don't. Please don't. Please. Please. Stop. Hades. Hey.
Come on, guys, play. Stop humping each other. Stop humping each other.
Thanks for your help.
No, yeah, no go.
So, Bobby, what's your name? So,
Maxwell, you
I like
have
this
nothing to offer her.
Yeah.
You have to remember, I'm old. We're all old. Dave's not old.
I'm not old. I could have helped you, but I'm on hump duty. Okay, he's chilling out. He is trying to. Maxwell, what are you doing, man? He can't. He's fixed. He's fixed, but he's still broken.
Go get it.
Pretty pug.
Oh, it's getting to call lady.
Yeah. Maxwell, be nice.
Oh, you're so happy, Lisa. You're so happy.
Yeah, be nice, lovebirds. Do not. There's a chair that's gonna be out here. When nobody's out here, I might be allowed to sit there. Be nice.
Go get it. Oh, good. Go. Oh, good girl. Ready? Bring it. Come on. Bring it. Oh, good girl.
That's good.
What about you guys? You guys play? They play? You ready? Go.
They usually don't play with the ball.
They done?
No.
Oh, you guys. Stop. Let's go. Go. Oh, good girl. Come here.
Pretty good. Pretty good.
Bring it. Oh, yes. Ready?
Maybe he's too. Oh, there he is. You got it.
Come here. Ah, good boy. Okay. Come on.
Maxwell, come on, man.
Go. He's like, who's driving this? Bring it. Come on. Reflex. Come on.
Hades does not want to play with the ball.
Drink water. Drink your water. Got water. Water. Come here. Come here. 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 You see? Water. Water. It works. Water. Stop. Come on.
So, you want some iced tea or you want a little bit of wine?
I'll take the iced tea.
Okay.
Yes, 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 yes. Oh.
Very cute pug.
Go, 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 go. Come on. Ah, Rufus. Where's the water? Oh, okay.
Maxwell's drinking water. Hades. Hello, Hades. It's a nice chair.
It's so small for her.
Yeah.
It's actually it's an old chair, but it's got springs in it actually.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it's a good chair.
That's cool.
It was my great grandfather's.
Oh, wow.
Oh, okay.
It's been redone a couple of times. It was in a deep organdy, whatever beach house right now. This tan color.
Rufus, come here.
It's old. Look at the baby. Look at how pretty she is. So cute.
Want some water?
I made a YouTube channel for him. And I'm
okay.
for Hades.
For Hades. Oh, okay.
Life of Hades.
Oh, okay. Like, is
So-
that the name of it?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I'll tell Robbie to check it out. Did you upload the other videos?
Yeah, not yet of these little get-togethers, but I will. I'm uploading like every day. I'm uploading a video, but I have a bunch of videos backlogged, you know. So,
Let's take this one.
oh, sorry. Is Kaidi trying to hump her? Come on, be gentlemen. What's going on with you guys? Kaidi. Oh, thank you, sir.
We're sold.
Sold right here.
Hey, Dave. Look at that sold.
Yeah.
Every Sunday
There you go.
And what about the Saturdays? It would be Saturdays and Sundays?
Okay, Hades is behaving himself.
Yeah.
Surprised he's not over there with her more.
Okay, yeah, that works. Yeah. Okay, but this Sunday.
Things will get chaotic when Angie brings over Peanut and Pekka.
Okay.
P&P.
Yes.
Hey, Maxwell.
Oh, okay, yeah. No, yeah.
Alright. I'll be back with you guys in a bit. There's not too much action going on. Is at a hair salon right now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
She hasn't been feeling too good lately, so she
Oh.
hasn't come by, you know. Maxwell, hey, buddy. Hey, no, and Kaidi, come
Oh
on,
my
man.
god.
Kaidi. Kaidi. Sorry they do that to her.
Yeah, all things.
Yeah.
They just wanna play.
Oh.
What happened?
Kaidi's like, that is my girl.
He gets very territorial.
Yeah. When they play, he tries to break them up.
Yes. He's like the oldest one, right?
The what?
The oldest one?
The small one's the oldest one.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's him. How old is he again?
10?
10 years?
10 years, yeah. It was like that.
Oh, this dog.
I guess they all know she's the girl and she's not fixed. I don't know if they can smell it or is it
even if, oh yeah, I guess yes. I was gonna say, because I guess it's two different dogs. They're neuter. They still try to hump her,
Yeah.
but I guess they just.
But they can smell something,
Yeah,
right?
yes.
I don't know.
But she is not fixed.
Right, yeah.
So they actually not towards the other female dogs?
What, no.
No?
They don't try to hump them.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because they do try to hump her.
Yeah, it's got to be a smell or something. Pheromones.
Maybe.
Yeah. It's a pretty girl. Good for you. What's your dog's name again?
Oh, Rufus. Rufus, like Ruffles?
Ruthless.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Hades sniffs the girls' butts a lot.
It does.
Yeah. Hades. Hey, Kaidi, come on, show some respect, please. You can't even reach her. Come on. Doggy playtime.
So pretty.
Oh, there they go. The brothers are playing now. Sort of. The sun's in my eyes. Kaidi, show some respect. He loves you.
Oh yeah, she gets very jealous of her. Yes.
Very cute. They're all behaving themselves, treating the lady with respect.
Does he have a hernia?
What's that?
A hernia.
Does he have?
I think I felt something. Oh, you good?
Whoa,
Did you just?
you fell.
No, right here.
It's just he just went through a whole physical.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but I know, but
But I'll be back in a little bit. Come on, all of them. No, that is not. That is not. This is not how gentlemen act.
she's a young baby. She's the youngin'. That's so funny, but she's the topic of discussion. That's how it's gonna be.
What do you think, Maxwell?
I'll protect you. I'll protect you from this.
A bunch of water.
Oh man, Layden, get off of her.
Is that
Hades loves you. He loves you, soul.
Oh, he's so pretty. Oh, come up, come up. Oh, he wants to come up. Okay. Come up. Oh, oh, good boy. Good boy.
Oh my God! God, you could just push him away. He'll just continue to kiss. He just
No, go after you kissing her.
Oh my God! She's going crazy.
Come on, boy.
He wants everything, everybody.
Look at him. Hey, you gotta protect me, bitch.
Hades.
Okay, boy. Good boy.
I'll put this video from today on YouTube so
Okay,
you guys can watch it.
Yes, he said it was Hades' life, right?
Life of Hades.
Life of life. Okay. That was the name you gave to Robbie last time we came? I think you gave him your... Oh, did you give him your email?
He gave me his email,
Oh, okay.
and I shared a photo album with him.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Alright, you can just email him
Okay, if I remember, yeah.
the life
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 of Hades.
life.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Here's your wine. Here's your. No, this wine. I had to clean it off. It was filthy, but now it's not.
Thank you. We got Kylie here, my lap, and then Hades is chilling over there. He's not trying to hump her very much, so that's good. Last time it was a nightmare. I took video of that too. Post that someday. And they put out a nice chair here. Beautiful. Okay. She's just being chased down. This is not. What's going on over here? Oh, we have another. No, that's a runner. Do we have another contestant? Hello. Hi, Diane. Diane and Chloe will be back in a sec. Hey, will you be nice? Come on.
Come here, Rufus. Come here.
Come on. Stop.
Why you let him do that, huh? 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 Oh, it's a big bag.
Yeah. Well, what's going on over here?
You're so old, buddy. You're so
She's
old.
like, are you serious? Get off of me. Old man.
Oh. You're jealous. You get quite jealous. Quite possessive.
Hades gets jealous too.
What's his
Hey.
name? Max?
Maxwell,
Maxwell.
behave. And if you don't want to be filmed, I can edit out
Oh, no,
all
that's cool. Yeah,
the
don't worry.
parts.
Don't let him. Don't let him. No. You gotta protect him.
It'll be nice. You'll have footage on the internet forever
Yes.
of your dog,
Yes.
you know? These play dates.
You guys gotta stop. How old are you, Maxwell? Is he like 5?
Yeah, he's like 5.
He's 2, right?
He's almost 2. Hades, yeah. Maxwell always wants to go inside. It's interesting to see the dynamics of these dogs. He's so possessive.
So you're going to pick her up right now?
Alright, next time. Diana's here now with Chloe. We have another female.
Good.
He likes sniffing her butt a lot. She has to sit down to get rid of him. How you doing, Diane?
I'm good.
Good.
Hi. Hello.
Warm day.
Yeah. He has
What is she? Oh, okay.
Ruthless might be jealous of
Oh, that's so small.
Chloe and Hades because Hades loves Chloe's butt.
She might. Yeah.
Oh, and she's curious with Chloe.
How old is she? She's about.
Protect your butt, Chloe.
She's
5 dogs.
She may not be that.
The doghouse.
I'm not
It's a dog park in here.
I like that. I like that she sits.
Yeah.
Did she learn it? Or did she just
She just does it. Yeah, she does it.
So nice. She do that. That's
Too many boys here.
Right, Chloe?
all of them try.
No, she's not going to let you sniff her butt. She is done with you. Had enough. Hi. Hades, come on. Let me pet her.
Teeth are nice and white
Let me
now.
pet her. Hey.
They had their teeth little tiny and her, she had their teeth cleaned this last
Chloe loves being pet.
down in Mexico.
Oh, okay.
No, Hades, do not. She's trying to take advantage.
I'm going to now. She had bad teeth for some years with breath and so bad you couldn't sit in it. And that's okay now. It's all good. But I got the dog toothpaste and a brush, and I'm going to be doing that.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we actually bought it like months ago just because she's so easily getting on it.
That's good. It's good for her to get used to that.
And it has like a peanut butter flavor. It's always like peanut butter flavor, so she likes it. It's really easy to get. It's really easy to brush your teeth with a little finger brush. Put in your finger.
Or a baby. Baby. I went and got a baby toothbrush, like for human baby.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah, that works good too. She's not used to that. She really doesn't know that I'm going to do that.
Oh, okay.
So she's going to be a little weird about it, but I'll get her used to it. We just do a little at a time. We don't try too much. And she just had her teeth cleaned, so it shouldn't be too bad. But I want to keep them really nice. God, her breath. That plaque, she had really built up plaque and it was holding bacteria and it just smelled really bad.
Oh, that's a good idea.
I've got a real
Maxwell,
assortment of
Maxwell?
chairs. I've got rocking chairs.
come on.
It's pretty harmless.
Hades gets all up in your face. You don't need to do the same to someone else. There's the butt sniffer, there's the sitting, the blocking. Diane's got a chair. They brought out a leather chair. Did you see that, Diane? And I sat in it, and I turned, and I knocked my wine right off the table.
Oh no.
So I don't know if that chair is good for me if I'm drinking wine. I changed the name of the YouTube channel
You did.
to Life of Hades.
Life of Hades.
Yeah, yeah.
I got your tail, Hades. He knows me now. He likes me.
He loves you, yeah.
Maxwell's warming up to it too. I already trimmed his nails a little bit.
There's this little dude out too. Maxwell, hey, psst.
Maxwell, you play?
Maxwell, come on, come on.
It's like at least
Poor dogs come in. They just surrounded.
He's 15 pounds.
Okay, she's 15 pounds as well.
Oh, she is?
Yeah,
He might be a little.
she's 20.
You think so?
He's
Yeah, maybe he's got big bones.
You should have seen him down on the beach in Mexico.
There you go, Maxwell.
Maxwell,
Hey.
respectful. Be respectful. Come on. You had your chance before you were fixed. Out of here. And you again.
I like your harness.
What's up with you?
Right?
Isn't that pretty awesome?
Old man.
That's her new summer look.
So clean.
Yeah. That's what she's
Hey,
already worn it.
hey, come on. Come on.
Hi, Anna. You brought your own chair and your butt.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
I popped some popcorn for you guys.
Oh, look at that.
And I got another
Very
one.
kind of you.
I'll just turn this upside down. And
Christy brought some popcorn.
look at here, guys.
Yeah, it's shady over here.
Oh man, they all think it's for them.
I'll get you another.
No, that's not gonna work.
I'll have to get our beach chairs, but here you go. Listen, here's a bucket too. You know, I remember you were sitting on one before, and look at I can even put one here, and I'll put a pad on there. Because those buckets are kind of. Did you see that?
Christy is too kind.
I saw it.
I like it.
Wonderful woman. She's great.
No, everyone wants
Very
popcorn.
hospitable.
You know. And you
I don't know
want
if you guys
There's the
have
popcorn, the dogs wanting the
or
popcorn.
you want
Oh, I'm okay. I just had some coffee. I had to revive myself. I usually never drink coffee.
what you said from today?
Yeah. And it's hot.
They all think it's treats. Hades wants some.
No, I know.
I give him food sometimes. I gave him part of a bagel
Oh, yeah.
this morning. He loved it.
No.
That's a good idea. You got the little rain chair because it's nice and shady on this side.
Yeah.
At this time
I
of
was
day.
wanting to make these clips shorter, but there's a lot of action going on and it's tons of dogs day. Maxwell,
Maxwell,
be nice.
nothing going on there, baby.
There's
Maxwell, she doesn't really find you that cute.
she does.
I'm sorry, Maxwell. You're not that cute.
That's funny.
Yeah, I'm sorry. You're fine, but you're not that cute. Okay.
Maxwell, sorry, dude.
You say someone you're not really attracted to. You're really nice.
And this little guy again.
It doesn't have to be your cup of tea.
He's the oldest one.
I was talking to my cousin. Maxwell, buddy. Oh, you want Rose? Look at Maxwell. Come on, I think.
I like popcorn.
Does he?
He loves everything.
I think pretty much he loves. That's why
Maxwell,
he
be,
comes around.
what is going on?
You're quite stubborn.
He and him, you can say stubborn.
Yeah.
Yeah, you read it.
I'm gonna go get my wine real quick. One glass a day, as long as I don't spill it like I did getting in this new chair. Hope I don't do that again. I see that in my future, but cheers. We got doggies.
Jasper loves to be held too.
And you, ma'am?
Yeah, he's
What's your deal?
He just loves it.
Beautiful new harness.
Don't, he
For
won't
the
bite
summer,
you. Did
for
you
the
get scared?
spring.
He definitely won't bite.
Oh, no,
You
no,
don't
no.
have to worry about it.
It's actually really soft.
He won't bite.
Okay, one more.
See, Hades will eat anything because I know the first thing he wants to do when he comes in the house is go to the balcony. Hades does.
Yeah.
He definitely wants some of that.
Oh, so you like the popcorn.
Well, you can. I think it was hard to toast.
Popcorn, of course, no.
I don't have anything
Okay, last one. Good
And I
boy.
found that this guy loves carrots.
Oh, really?
Loves carrots. Because I cut up carrots for buddy rabbits out
Yeah.
the back. Cut up the carrots and throws in the kitchen. It's crazy.
Cool. Well,
I think I'm gonna grab some popcorn real quick.
That's terrible.
Oh yeah, she's starting to shed. I don't know why. Is that when she's changing to the dome?
Yeah, they just do. Cuz shed.
Everybody's just chill. Some of them
Mine
got
shed like
popcorn.
crazy.
I just gave
And I
Hades 2
bathe them every
kernels.
weekend. But and you get to do
He
shedder,
loved
you
it.
get to brush with your shedder, like Diana has one too, huh?
Chloe
It
is
helps, but once they're shedders, they're shedders.
just wants to
Yeah,
be pet.
Yes, you get really crazy.
Yeah, and that her kind of fur just sticks to everything. Yeah.
I know, I just finished vacuuming out my
I
What
bet.
about
Probably
What about
gonna
Maxwell?
be doing that for a couple
Shedding?
of weeks.
No, he didn't even have, no, he sheds nothing.
Oh yeah, like
No, he doesn't even really have fur.
Yeah, those-
He has minimum. We never see even a hair around the house with that one.
Yeah.
That's a great thing. It's a new,
There he is again.
because
Yeah.
that hair was
The oldest
nuts.
man,
Joe
the
Maxwell does
smallest
not
man.
shed.
The one
He
with the
just
most
has a very
attitude.
loud bark. The bark. Maxwell! It's enough,
knock it off.
bud.
Hey,
Max, nothing going
brother.
he's neuter, right?
Oh,
Yeah, but he is big.
well, he's so crazy because he's never been like that with another dog, really.
No, it's probably because she's not
But
big.
I don't know. He's not like that with Chloe, is he?
No.
Maxwell, yeah, sometimes.
He sometimes. I haven't really seen him.
But they're getting used to each other when they're not doing that so much.
I guess that's what he
Nah.
needs to.
Max, that's enough, Bubba.
She's
You
not
don't think-
fixed yet.
Not yet. No, she's just from 1 year.
Yeah, she's not fixed.
Chloe loves this, but she sheds a lot.
Well, but you're gonna have to fix
My whole
Yes,
shirt was
maybe
full of
in
fur
next month.
the other day.
We watch her very carefully.
it. Oh yes.
The animal shelter out in Old Home does it for about $120.
120? Okay, not too bad.
Or if you're gonna go really harder.
Yeah, my daughter said so.
There you go. And you can get a real good deal down there.
Yeah, we do.
How much do they charge for that?
You know, I didn't ask Dr. Carlos. I should have
Yeah,
because I was
well-
going to ask for him because he needs to be neutered.
Yeah.
Hades does.
But it should be less than $100, whatever
Oh, it'll
they
be-
charge.
it'll be, yeah.
She does have a bed down there. That's good. Nothing good.
I chewing more grass, baby. I got you, baby.
Get enough green beans.
He's like, oh yeah, here's my green beans, Mama.
No, that's not dog food.
I do this thing where I zoom in on him and I just follow him. Always zoom in on the littlest guy, on the old man.
Yeah, the old man. Eat it, old man. Are you thirsty, baby? You ready for the water? I'm like looking for some kids.
Butt sniffing, a little denial.
He's only, he's 8 pounds, but he's getting big. He's little. Little.
He's 8 pounds? I thought he said he was 3 pounds.
No, no, no.
He's
No.
8 pounds?
He's 8 pounds. We weighed him at Dr. Carlos. I thought he was 6 pounds, and he goes, no, he's 8.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I thought he said
He doesn't seem like 8.
No, he doesn't.
Because at one point she was 9 pounds.
Yeah.
And she's long.
How much you know?
Yeah.
How much does she weigh now?
She weighs 15 close to 16 now. Yeah, so she put on a lot of weight.
There's the star.
Yes.
She's not definitely
It's his life.
No, oh no, no, no. She's not overweight.
Their
and
life
she's
too. He's not the
underweight.
main
She's
character.
I guess she just lost a lot of weight when she was in the heat. She was like,
We do not have NPCs.
yeah, for like,
They all matter.
she was bleeding. It was just bad.
Yeah.
And she lost a lot, yeah, the hormones, and she lost a lot of weight, but then she put it back when the weight.
Oh, she looks good. Her weight looks perfect.
Oh yeah, she's 16, she's good.
Yeah, that's.
She's good. I was the one that really chubby dog. She's like,
It's like super sleeping at
No,
her
no,
arms.
no.
nah, she eats like
Looks
maybe
like he's
2 to
stoned.
3 times
Yeah.
a day.
No,
And she was
no,
like,
leave it.
No, she looks. She ain't good shape.
What'd you say? You told me to what?
I know.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, I hated you cannot eat out of the bowl.
Yeah, no.
This is just watch me. I'll wait till everybody starts thinking about something else.
No, it doesn't still good.
Hi, Maxwell. You know, he Last time I
I'll
was
take a
here, I
little
said,
break.
He jumped up on big ones.
Yeah.
Those have the stitches. He had to cut those out. The rest of them he burned off.
Okay.
But
Hades tried to
yeah,
hump her
they,
just
when
a
you
second
groom
ago.
them, it'll bleed. So
And then
you know,
they
you
kissed
have to
only.
cut them. So that's why I wanted
told
them
him
taken off. 'Cause they're
First base only.
makes them hard to groom. She needs grooming with all the shedding she does.
I'm just getting them, by the way, not you.
Oh no, don't worry, don't worry. Oh,
Excuse me. That is weird. Come on.
yes.
He's got to get fixed too.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Fixed.
Yeah, they're not fixed. Both of them are not. Oh.
Come on. Can't do that.
Oh. Oh my goodness, Rufles.
Hades. What is it, man?
Oh.
No. No. See if Katie becomes the police.
Oh.
Huh?
I was listening to one water.
Oh,
Came up here, she wanted chocolate.
Mm.
you want some water? Go get some water.
Maxwell.
Maxwell, come on. Hey, come on.
Look at it.
Oh, she said no. Now back off. So did he.
Oh, she's heavy. She's 18 pounds.
18?
Yeah, she's got
Oh, yeah.
11 pounds she needs to drop.
Oy.
I just cut her food down and try to get her more exercise.
It's good. Just how many times you walk it?
Oh, it depends. Sometimes once or twice a day.
So cute.
Mhm.
She's so happy.
Good. Oh yeah.
Chloe up there.
Yeah, she's doing really good.
Jen, do you want a cup of iced tea or anything or water?
No, I'm okay.
Okay, I just want to try. Get
Oh, tired. I'm tired.
You gotta go on the beach. Alright, people, we'll see you next Thursday. And last time we couldn't come. I wasn't here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and I'm the one that I'm the one that keeps her. I think I'll be.
Hey, you had a long day, huh? The beach and then this?
Yes.
Had a long day, miss.
Yeah, and then we went for a walk yesterday to Lake Murray. She got
yeah.
super hot.
I went 2 days ago to Lake Murray.
Okay, she stopped walking at some point, and then we got so close to this rattlesnake.
A rattlesnake.
Yeah, there's rattlesnakes right now during summer.
Yeah, be
We got
careful.
so
You know
close.
that. You know that.
We walked by it, and we tried to walk back, and I saw it, and I was like, oh, it was ready to like.
Oh man, I gotta watch out.
Yes.
Anti-venom costs about $2,000.
Yeah.
So don't let your dog get bit by them.
Yeah.
Yeah,
The thing is,
uh-huh.
like, we kind of went off the little trail. You know, there's like the trail for the.
I've never seen one out there, but a lot of people have.
Yeah. I guess they come out now
Take
during the
pictures
summer.
of them. Yeah, it's the first
Yeah.
warm days. Right now would be.
You will
Yes.
not be encountering a rattlesnake,
That's so
hopefully.
cool. She wanted to see what it was.
Sure they
We were
do.
like, nope, come here.
And that's why they get bit in the face.
Yes, exactly. So watch out.
Yeah, keep her on a leash.
Yeah.
So you can't just do that because I'll tell you, $2,000 just
Yeah.
for that is just for the anti-venom.
Oh.
The treatment and whatnot to be on top of that.
Yeah, I bet.
Yeah. Funny.
We don't want that, but plus.
$2,000.
No.
I don't think insurance covers that. I don't know. I don't think so.
Unless it's really good insurance.
That's an awful lot, yeah.
They should cover that. It's the dog's health.
Yeah, but
It's just like humans, you know. There's a lot of things in insurance.
they don't cover everything.
Yeah.
Say bye to your friends. You come back.
Seems like they should cover the things
Sounds like it. But
that would kill them.
yeah, I think. You might be able, if there's a lot around, you might be able to get a rider.
Do you want to see here? So you can look over here?
Sure. Yeah.
You might,
Thank you.
Get a rider for that.
Let's go.
I don't
It was
know.
nice seeing you guys.
Yeah, good to see you.
Okay, we'll see you next Thursday.
All right.
Let me get my-
Bye, Ruthless.
Bye. Yeah. I mean, come back by anytime anytime.
There she goes.
Okay, yeah. As long as you are. Okay. We're to socialize.
Yes. Tell bye to you.
Okay, you too.
Bye.
Tell Bobby hello.
I will.
All right.
There she goes. And now Maxwell is very sad.
Yeah, he's very
He doesn't have another hedgehog.
Hi, guys. So cute.
He practices on the hedgehog, and then
Yeah.
he gets the real thing.
We got everything going on. He wants to put it to work. Got it all going. Wait, you don't have to work tomorrow though, Diane, are you?
No.
Good for you. I'm working on trying to get those quiet angel.
Sleep in till it's time for her medicine.
Yeah.
Seems like things are starting to wrap up here. Diane's on her way out. Soul and Ruthless left. And it'll be the trio again, minus Chloe. It'll be that little dude,
Laurel and Hurricane.
and that dude,
And me in it too.
and this little troublemaker with the fluffy tail. Little fox.
Tired. I understand. I have been that way and I
Coffee and it's just not even
working.
it's oh, here, this goes.
There goes Diane and Chloe. Cardi thinks he's leaving. Nope. Excuse me, you can't have any of that. I gave you popcorn already. Yes, you.
I think you can get those leather patches on Amazon. I think I've seen them.
No. He wants those kernels.
Everything comes from China. 145. I'm just dying to see it happen.
Good boy.
There's always other countries assembling tables.
And you know, we weren't even taken care of in most countries. And China was giving us a 30% tariff. And we weren't talking now.
Talking about China now.
This is coming from the more I hear about it. We don't need a lot of
Yeah. Yep. I check my medication. I take thyroid every day. That's the only thing I take.
He's quite a handsome, beautiful dog.
I found a piece of yeah, it's
He's a little baby.
so yeah, I checked the manufacturer. Although they weren't supposed to do drugs, but you know what China's supposed to do. They can get really nasty. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Yeah. No, I haven't been nervous. watching him do this. Yeah.
Catch a little bit of Chloe
He knows
before she leaves.
we're starting to see a pattern.
And we'll be out of here in a second.
Yeah, pattern. Creating a lot of chaos.
I don't want to stay too long. There it goes.
China. No. We're going after China.
Yeah.
Sooner than later.
Yeah, she's out. She's out getting her hair done
Oh,
today.
is she? Okay, good.
Yeah, she might bring a pizza home.
Nice.
It would be very nice. Yeah.
Woo-hoo.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah. Yeah. Thanks for having us over.
Of course, you're more
Yeah.
than welcome. It's good to
Okay.
have you guys.
Thank you.
I know
Okay.
it's nice. It's so good to have Hades too. And
All right, you guys.
There you go. Because he was standing at that bloody gate for like a couple hours. Okay, I got home at 2:30, and when he was standing at that gate until you guys came.
Oh, really?
Look
At 2:30, huh?
Looking and doing.
Maybe I can bring them over sooner next time.
Yeah, like,
Yeah.
okay. Yeah, you
Or if you
can
want.
because he was going crazy.
Because he was going crazy at 3.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
No, you're more than welcome. I'm just going to be the next few days. I'm going to be working out here in the yard.
Okay.
So
Sounds good.
Nothing special.
Okay.
The regular.
Sounds good.
All right, Hades.
All right.
Boyfriend.
Come on, guys.
And Kylie's trying to be in the middle.
All right.
Good luck on the pizza.
Thank you. All right. Take care. Have a good night. See, I want to put the lock on for them so they don't have to. Whoops. Bye, Heidi. Same spot you were smelling before. And it'll be just the walk home, but I will catch you guys another day. Thanks for watching.